let's go through the song. So the verses go A, open, open, 2, 2, open, open, E to E, open, 2, 2, 1, open, open, to B, 2, 4, 4, and you can let these ones ring. Up to C sharp minor, 4, 6, 6, back to B. So the verses go like. Pre-chorus is just 3 chords, A, B, E. A is open, open, 2, 2, open, open. B is 2, 4, 4, open, open. And E is open, 2, 2, 1. You can play it with your middle and ring finger and your pointer on 1. That's E. Pre-chorus goes. That. Then it hops into the chorus, no new chords here. It just goes A, open, open, 2, 2, open, open, to E, open, 2, 2, 1, open, open, to B, 2, 4, 4, open, open, to C sharp. And it bounces back down. It's like the verses. That's the chorus. All right, and then for the bridge, they just throw a new chord in there, F sharp minor. I'll show you how to play it here, but it starts with A, open, open, 2, 2, open, open. Then it goes down to F sharp minor. So it's like a bar chord. Put your pointer finger on 2, ring and pinky on 4, and then you gotta kind of bar this whole thing right here. It's alright if you don't get that whole chord. I just play 2, 4, 4 as a power chord too, but with more practice you'll be able to sort of bar this whole chord here while you press this. So you'll get these higher notes up here with the base of your finger. F sharp minor. So sorry, the bridge. We're on the bridge. A, F sharp minor, to E. That's it. You stay on E. I know it's hard. If you notice, I'm kind of playing the E major a little different. It's just because I'm already on F here. And so, in order to minimize the finger movement, I just slide my ring and my pinky down to the 2 frets here on the 2nd fret, 2 strings, and put my pointer on that 1. Usually you're supposed to play it like middle finger ring, but in this case you can play it ring finger, pinky, pointer, right? So it goes. You'll get it.